Everyone's Brian from Unified Technologies. I just wanted to throw a short video together because I've had a few customers call me this week saying they've gone to websites and they get this annoying pop-up that says their computer's infected, and call this 800 number, talk to a Microsoft technician to get it fixed. These sites are scams. Your computer's not infected. Their tactic is to try to gain access to your computer. Some of them will actually install Trojans, or they'll try to copy files off the background, trying to get your passwords or banking information, and then try to charge you $600-700 to fix your system. And when you try to tell them that your computer's not worth that much, or you can just go buy another computer, they'll try some scare tactics and tell you that it's not your computer, it's actually your network that's infected. And even if you go buy another computer, it won't matter because you'll get reinfected again. Networks don't get infected. Computers get infected. They get viruses. Computers can pass viruses between each other through the network, but it's not the network itself. So once you get the viruses cleaned off your computer, or if you go buy another computer, it's not going to get reinfected. Now, the way some of these websites work is they prey on the fact that sometimes we're in a hurry and we miss characters. So if I go to, instead of facebook.com, if I go to facebook.cm, so I forgot to type the O, it'll go through this roulette of things to just pick random sites to drop you on. This one here wants you to download a media player, and of course if you download it, you're going to get infected. Let's try another one and see what we get. And as you can see, I have no problems going to these sites. They're not really infecting you. It's just dropping you on these random sites. This is another one that gets people, is this Flash player. It looks legit. It looks like it's from Flash. It gives you the Flash icon. Everything looks like what you would get from Adobe. They'll click install, and of course then they'll download malware onto your system, and then you are infected. Never download from these pop-ups, either Flash or Java or any of those things. Make sure you go to the site themselves, adobe.com or java.com, and download them from those sites. Let's try this one more time, see if I can. Let's see if I can get infected. No, I want an iPhone. Yippee. And anytime you get these leave this page pop-ups, are normally scam sites. It's going to take me back to the media player. But if you do happen to randomly hit one of these sites, it'll usually be like a red screen showing malware. You'll have a pop-up that'll show up saying that your computer's infected. You'll usually get this annoying beep, and it'll have a 800 number for you to call. You try to close out of the pop-up, it won't let you. It'll just keep looping over and over again. You try to close the browser, it won't let you. There's no way out of that screen, and that's what freaks people out. So then they call the number because they figure their computer's locked up, and that's the only way they can get out of it. So if you ever come across one of those and it won't let you out, if you come down here to the toolbar, if you right-click, go to Task Manager, it's going to pop up this Task Manager, and you'll click on Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or Firefox, whatever you have open at the time. Hit End Task. It shuts down your browser, gets you out of that site. You can reopen your browser and go back to browsing as usual. We don't want to be stored. Some sites have actually registered their CMs, like Amazon.cm will actually take me to Amazon.com. It'll actually redirect me. So some sites have caught on to those misspellings, and there are other sites, Walmart, even Facebook, some of the misspellings, they've registered those. those names to try to prevent these scams. Along the same lines, we've had people try to call us or call our customers claiming to be from Microsoft or from Comcast or HP, saying that they've seen suspicious activity on their computers and want to fix it for them. This is along the same lines. They'll try to gain access to your computer and add Trojans or copy files. Don't ever let anybody into your computer unless you know them or you've contacted them yourself. Many companies, including us, use remote software to help customers fix their computers, but normally you call us, or you know who we are. We're local, and we're not there to scam you. So if you do run into any of these problems and you're not sure what happened, you can always give us a call, and we can take a look at it for you. So hopefully this helps, and we'll talk to you later.